So if you're looking for a hard case that protects your Apple Watch and that's quick and easy, these are an excellent choice. They come also pack of 2, and I love that the main thing is you don't have to take your watch band off. So any watch band that you have on, these just slap over and you get that full protection screen and the whole surrounding of your watch. So basically, I just take it and put it over like the little button dial, and then it just literally snaps into place. So you don't have to take your watch band off, nothing like that. You get all the way around protection, which I love. This is the black, and you guys, it just covers it. All the holes are precision cut and works great. You still have the back that connects to you. No problems. You can charge it like normal. You can change your bands out if you want without taking it off. Super easy. Like I said, come in a pack of 2, and you get that all around protection with a really easy pop it on, pop it off